Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can view and use the physical keyboard shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top. And then from the quick setting panel, tap on the settings icon. In here, you want to scroll down and tap on General Management. Next, we go down and tap on Physical Keyboard. Now you can tap on Keyboard Shortcuts. And in here, it will show you a list of all the commands and keys combinations that you can use to open up certain functions or features on the phone. So here, if you press on the command plus the return key, it will go back to the home screen. On your keyboard, if you press on the escape key, it will go back. To open up the recent screen or the recent app, you can tap on the Alt plus the Tab key on the keyboard. To close the current app, you can press on the Alt plus F4. And then you got keyboard shortcuts, command slash. Notifications is command plus N, command plus shift plus the V key will allow you to toggle the camera access on or off. And again, you got a list of other commands here you can go through. So you got command for lock screen, capture window, switch languages, and more switch languages, and start as a text mode. So that's for the system. And then for apps, you can use the search functions such as command plus the F key, browser, calendar, email, messages, music, and maps, and so on. And that's it. So that is how you can view a list of all the different keyboard shortcuts on your Galaxy S23 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.